here it is. The Harbor Breeze Crosswinds ceiling fan saga is over. Thank goodness. As you can see, the light is on and the fan is on low speed. The fan works amazingly. I'm so glad I could save this one because this was one of my major childhood fans, specifically in the Oiler of Bronze finish. It was such a saga to save this fan, to get it working again, because I ordered several parts of it on eBay. I physically had a down rod for it, so I didn't buy that off eBay. And I had a down rod ball thing and a mounting bracket. Already had those. And the like it. The glass bolt cover I bought at Lowe's. Looks about similar, if not the exact same. Already had those pull chain extensions, screws for the blade irons, things like that. The fan motor and the canopy I bought, they were both in the same listing. The blade irons I bought in a quantity of 5. The blades were bought in a set of 5. Switch cap I bought separately. That finial cap and finial part thing, I already physically had those. And definitely the light bulbs. And the bottom canopy cover. It's from a Hampton Bay fan of some sort. I can't remember what it was called. It's not the exact same size as the one that would have originally came with this fan, but it's good enough. Regardless, the fan works just fine. So that concludes the Harbor Breeze Crosswinds ceiling fan saga. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.